I call this one McGrath Auto. Bon appetit.
This is quite good. Exceptional even. I'm tasting layers of fantastic benefits, robust PTO starting from day one, and is that workplace flexibility?
Oh, absolutely. There's a rich flavor of support here, parental leave, remarkable wages, and there's a strong undercurrent of work-life balance.
Ah, yes, beautifully balanced work life. You've managed to make something that's equal parts fun and family, and that's so rare these days.
How on earth did you manage this? It's simply delightful.
Well, I started baking it, and then I had a breakdown because you guys are so cool, but I managed to pull it all together.
And I detect a hint of existential dread. Cheers.
This cake is perfect, a 10 out of 10. It embodies a workplace with deep community roots, strong family ties, and an innovative approach to employee care.
I quite agree. The overall presentation showcases absolute dedication to the craft. In fact, congratulations, McGrath Auto is the 2024 coolest place to work.
Thank you. And to everyone who helped make this happen.
Still think my Victorian sponge would have been better, but whatever.